Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.